Hello everyone, welcome to Avkash ke Pal. In today's video, you will see how we make this Bel Murabba. This is a unique preserve made with the most amazing fruit, wood apple. This recipe is packed with goodness of wood apple. So peel and cut the fruit into small pieces. Now we put half cup water in 1.5 cup sugar and prepare a syrup. Sugar syrup is ready. Add the fruit pieces and put over a slow flame till the fruit turns brown. As visible, all the pieces have turned golden brown. Take it out and let it cool for 2 hours. Bel Murabba can be preserved in an airtight container even up to a month. Serve it as a wholesome dish, or you can even enjoy it along with any meal of your choice. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like button just below the video and share with your friends and family. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.